Hello students, it's Rachel here. I'm giving you real value for money in this semester. I have put together a video. It's the Professor Higgy-Clarke Videopedia series for Ad Media Measurement. The first one will be about TARPs. I hope you find it useful. I'd like your feedback because I will produce more and they will serve as a study guide for you. Have fun. TARPs is always the area people struggle in every year. This year's a particularly large class. There are 5 tutorials and there have been a few people that have said they found it difficult to grasp. So forget what you learned, wipe it clean, watch this, watch again, see how you go and try and enjoy yourselves. Okay, so it's a TARP refresher moment. It's target audience rating point. So that is how a program, or specifically your TVC in a break, rates against your target audience. Total number of times it's seen, expressed as a percentage. Okay, both you and the client have agreed TV's the channel to use. They're going to have concerns around the price. It's actually a big investment. They need confidence that you're taking the right approach. Agree your goals up front. How many people do you want to see the ad? That's your reach. How many times do they need to see the ad to get the message take out? That's your frequency. Oh, hello Tess. I'm Rachel. So this is our target audience. She's obviously female. She's the main grocery buyer within the family. And she has kids, so we call that a grocery buyer with kids, or a GB with kids. So that's what we're going to be working with for our campaign. I just want to address net and gross audience before we go on with reach. With reach, you can only reach 100% of your audience in a campaign. Ratings can be added together. You can reach someone in more than one program, more than one day of the week, more than one week of the month. This is an infographic representation of your reach curves and goals. You do not need to learn to do this. I repeat, do not learn to do this. Your reach goals are 80% 1+ reach them at least once. 55% 3+ reach. You need to have them see the TVC at least 3 times. Yes, do you remember week 2 when we talked about universes? A universe is basically a sphere of activity or experience, everything that's within it. In the case of this, TV markets. So your universe is your target audience potential. I rather like Tess. She seems quite good fun for someone that's got to look after 2 small kids. So we are going to focus on the eastern seaboard, Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane. We have the universes for those because we got those from OzTam and we used those in the exercises in week 2. So that's our target audience. Okay, so it's a TARP refresher moment. It's target audience rating point. So that is how a program, or specifically your TVC in a break, rates against your target audience. Total number of times it's seen, expressed as a percentage. Oh yes it is. More maths, hooray. So grocery buyers with kids. 80% of them, we need to reach them at least once with the TVC. We have our universes. Simple maths, times by 0.8 to get 80%, and that is our reach goal. We need to reach that many people. It's 1.3 million when you add it up. We have 2 reach goals. Your 1+ reach is about awareness, getting as many people as possible. The 3+ is the number of times on average we think we need people to see it to affect action. Exactly the same process for your 3+ goals, 55% reach. So we multiply those universes by 0.55. I've put on here the gross impressions that we have to get, and that is the unique on net audience multiplied by the average frequency. Okay then, how's it going so far? What have you learned? Yep, universe, yep, that's your potential target audience. Reach, number of them that saw the TVC, percentage that saw the TVC, yep. Your frequency, number of times, and then if you multiply all of that, then you get your total impression. And that is the overall impact of your TVC. Alright, yep, TARPs, okay. Well spotted. We have covered our target audience though. We've covered our net audience, so in thousands, and percentage, our gross audience in thousands, so we are missing one metric. Okay. Yes. And bingo! You got it. Come on now, bear with me here. Not long to go. Target audience rating point. So it's your impact, the gross impressions expressed as a percentage. Just a bit more to go. Ah, good on you, Tess. You deserve a break. So now Tess is going to watch some TV, as are our GBs with kids in Melbourne, and that's 598,000 universe or potential audience. Okay, so if we want our GBs with kids to see the ad, we have to buy our TARPs. So we know our universe, we know our 1+ reach goal, our 3+ reach goal. We know what that is in terms of gross impressions, and remembering that our TARP is the gross impressions expressed as a percentage, that is 165 TARPs. So Monday, week 1, and Tess sees the ad, so that's 1 TARP, 1% of the audience. You can see it's rated 10, so already it's hit 60,000 of our GB audience. And now it's Thursday of week 1 and Tess sees the ad again. So she can only deliver 1% of our unique reach, but she's delivered 2 TARPs because she's seen it twice, and 7.3 TARPs for the GB. So we now delivered over 100,000 gross impression. Week 2, Tuesday, and third time. So we've reached our effective frequency goal with Tess. We've got delivered 4.9 TARPs across our target audience in Melbourne. So we are 13% of the way through just 3 ad breaks. So your TV campaign has finished, and how did it perform? Well, we bought 165 TARPs against GBs with kids in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and we actually delivered within the 10% variance that we allow, which is really great news. We call this in the business a result. And that was my guide to TARPs. I hope you found it useful. There's a few things here to help you out. Watch it again. Just watch it until you get it. Please give me feedback. Any ideas gratefully received. I'm always looking to improve, and look out for the next one in the series. Thank you.